What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and today I'm not in London, but I'm in one of the wonders outside London places, and this is of course Brighton by the beach, which is quite phenomenal. It'll take you about an hour 15 minutes to get from London. You can get a train from King's Cross station or from Victoria, and there are several other places you can get trains to Brighton, so you can enjoy the seaside. And it's only an hour and 15 minutes from King's Cross. Today I came from King's Cross, so if you are looking for a place to go out on a lovely day like this that is not too far away from London, then Brighton is one of the places you must certainly visit. In any case, I do hope you've enjoyed this little video looking at the aquamarine sea in Brighton. And of course, if you've enjoyed it and you want to see more amazing videos, do hit the like button, subscribe, etc. And of course, thank you so much. Have a lovely rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.
Make sure you get plenty of hydration in. Yeah, have a glass.